So when you look at the history of Capricorn Copper, particularly in recent times, one of the key problems that it's faced is a poor understanding of the geology and in particular the controls of the mineralisation. So the key to turning around the history of the asset is really around a much better understanding about those controls and really understanding how the ore bodies should be operated. So that's really the fundamental basis for that. And then you can overlay a much more efficient operating plan and one that diversifies the risk and deals with the risk of underground mining. So that's the key to unlocking the value of the asset. Look, our approach to creating long-term shareholder value has really been about making sure that you have a sustainable mine life through all points in the cycle. The asset that we run has, I guess at the end of the day, it's had periods where it hasn't been managed so well, and that comes back down to some basic understandings about how best to operate the asset, and that's looking at the strategy of is it a single mine asset, single plant asset, or should you be running the 5 or 6 ore bodies that we have in parallel so that you can switch production from one to the other. Each of them sort of has different characteristics, so each of them have different cost profiles as well, and they perform differently. So if you're really smart about it and you bring together an operating plan that combines those ore sources across different elements of the price cycle, you can react and adjust your margin and maintain your margin. So that's our key driver for creating shareholder value, is to be able to make sure that you have a sustainable mine life and you have the optionality and flexibility to deal with production risk, but also economic and commodity risk by being able to be flexible in your operating plan.